Edohia wabedene o wabedene wabowie wabava wabota. Edohia sikoko edohia lare o ni mado togedo na ibude ogedo ibude ogi ohun sa. Waya tuta o pepepe nada ho Evinus Ninya Salo Bawe Mama Dene Ibude Oge Ogio Hansa Edoya Watuta O Wabokia O Ewo no Yere Otibare Vanage Solomon Demo Diakoyo Abokia Boy Wakari na Yari O Yari Yanike Yawu whatever O Ibude Oge Ogio Hansa Oge Aneru National O Venera Kibogo Mo Kibogo Hua Nanya was Sadoba Ma Hipon and Kiboro and anywhere o Muda was Sadoba. What we had in my Emena Mion West and that one. Ya Wama over you 7 say, oh, like 7 say, West would one again. The one of the winner over Yagian ye Yarro. The one of you don't know what Laga give you different now. I mean, the Massico could matter. When no one know la ho given ke don dia worima maya we mi wa who your weapon or was a loba we Jesus Christ don ya wa is ya ne kai ya bu Solomon ya ne kai ya bu ogan pa e wa de wa it's time for our pastoral counseling. It is time for our pastoral counseling. It's time to gain wisdom about the things of this world, the things of this life. Ibude, Ibude, Oge, Edo, Edahu, Ibude, Oge, Edo, Ukaven, Oge, Ragbona, Emako, Guanca, Opopa, Zoluzolano, the Wednesday, Mana, Ibude, Oge, Ibude, Oge, Edo, Ibude, Oge, Edo, Dahu, Wahia, Laro, Wagyu, Agba Okuto. Today's topic is grief and loss, part 1. Grief and loss, part 1. Okay, grief and loss is a very serious matter in life. We need to learn about it. We need to hear it. We need to learn about it. We need to find how to deal with it. Grief and loss, they are realities in life. There is nobody who doesn't pass through them in this world. Grief and loss. Today we are taking part 1 because it is so elaborate that we cannot finish it in one day. We take part 1 today, and next Wednesday we'll take the other part 2. All right, so we'll cooperate and let us learn properly what this stands for. Abroad, overseas countries, they deal with this properly. They even pay for it to obtain grief and loss because there is nobody who does not experience grief and loss. Okay? So today we come to this topic and I have properly dressed myself up for us to appreciate the meaning of grief and loss. If you see the way I dress now, I am dressed in the symbol of grieving, even up to my beret, the bishop's beret. I'm putting on black and black. In most cultures of the world, Black and black is for grieving. So I dressed up like this today to talk about grief and loss. But more also, I want to identify with our people, Edo people, and even other people who are passing through the time of grief and loss. At the moment, some families are passing through grief and loss. And I want to identify with them to say that I am touched by their feelings. I am touched by their grief and loss. In particular, for my Edo people, recently, the last 1 month, Edo people have been suffering from grief and loss because there are two very important people in public life who have passed on in the community in the world. Okumbo, who was and was well known in Benin community. And we are sad. The Edo people are sad to lose this gentleman. He passed through some serious illness. But God allowed him to pass over onto the beyond. So we identify with the family today. I believe he was just laid to rest this last Saturday. And we are sad. We remember him closely. Another person is Dr. Sir Victor Uwaifo, Professor Sir Victor Uwaifo. He was a musician. He was a sculptor. He was an inventor. He was a musician of no mean repute, known all over the world. Sir Victor Uwaifo. So we identify with the family of Sir Victor Uwaifo today. We identify with Edo here, all Edo people who are grieving in the loss of Sir Victor Uwaifo. So you join us as we discuss grief and loss for all of us to learn how to pass through grief and loss. We welcome all people who have come. Christoph Yasuki has just joined. Thank you. Welcome, brother. Welcome, sister. And we have a Pastor Mungaragbon also. God bless you, Pastor. You are all welcome to this program. Even my Agwan Kaina, or you Bude Oga, Udekun Kebe Akie. Udekun Kebe Akie. Or even my Agwan Kaina. Or you Bude Ori Manado. Udekun Kebe Akie. Wa Kebe Mewa Meberi Vanana. Idan Megbe Niya Mawe Udekun Kebe Akie. Oragbon even a waru de kunkiwakie ime yegbe taya yegbe baya vegena manado marakie do de kun oge evan so no ye wi mama no ye wu no mai pegbeda no ye fiya no mai pegbeda no ye yegbe yibe no mai pegbeda kate ma yere Captain Idahosa Okumbo Captain Idahosa Okumbo Oda figure ya ye over neden na ya moyoto okay o po van we Edo banedo efiseke ga akin efiseke obi yoma obi tima obi yima no ye igu seru ma ye re run da po van ga no we Edo ba e won tima ọkùnrin pẹ́kiri ọkẹ́ ìdógbè dáadáa sárúbàdàn rí òṣìṣẹ́ yẹ ẹ̀yìn fún ẹgbẹ́ ìṣẹ́ lébàṣẹ́bà mànẹ́dù ọ̀wọ́n pàtàkì ọ̀bẹ̀ ìwé wìímà wọ́n ní Sir Victor Uwaifo iná wọn ẹ̀rọ bí ẹ̀yà àná òun ò tàgbọ̀n yá fẹ́ ọwọ́ àwọn ẹ̀ àmì ìkìdámà àwọn ẹ̀kẹ́wé bó kìtọ́ wọn lẹ́kùn Sir Victor Uwaifo. We don't see 179, we don't cruise over Maya or over TB, Obama Kaga, no qua. We have we were no qua. Timan is Sir Victor Uwaifo or Timman or Bera. You there, they are with the bay. Iana, Mamma, you be by do your fair work here. That's a bedroom, man, where I say, with Mamma or here. No, oh, the coon came back here. Hey, man, what kind of I saw by a bill down now, what kind. Why I die ho? Let us open our ears and our minds to understand the issue of grief and loss. Grief and loss. There is nobody who doesn't pass through grief and loss. It is the experience of life. There are days for dancing and singing, but then there are also days for grieving over loss. In the Bible, the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, verses 1 to 11, it dwells on there is a time for every purpose under the heaven. There is a time for everything, time for every purpose under the heaven. The Bible even affirms that it is better to go to the house of mourning than to go to the house of dancing. The reason the Bible says that is, at the house of mourning, you come to identify with people who need help. In the house of mourning, you come to identify with people who are sad, who need comfort. When you go there, you share in their sadness and you help to provide comfort for them. When you go there, you share in the depression of the bereaved and you try to find answer to their situation. So we are all eating and we are dancing. In the house of mourning, God is listening to the prayers of the bereaved. Yes. Grief and loss. In some cultures in the world, people pay to go to counselors, to counsel them when they are passing through grief and loss. Even in our African communities, we find that there are people who are not able to manage their grief and loss. And the grieving and the loss they have, it continues on and on and on and on for years. Some people, when they pass through grief, they don't ever come out of it. They remain in the grieving process. And that is not supposed to be so. So today, we're talking about what is loss. What is loss? We're taking loss first because loss leads to grieving. It is loss that brings grieving. So what is loss? Loss is an act of losing something of high value. Loss is an experience of losing something of very high value. Not just anything. When you lose something, when something gets out of your hand, your reach, your use, your utility, your presence, that is a loss. But when that thing is of a high value, then it becomes a big loss. Loss. People don't grieve over everything that they lose. No. But when it comes to something of a high value, then they grieve. So loss is the inability to keep something that is yours. It gets out of your reach. It gets out of your hand. It gets out of your usage. Then you have lost that thing. It could be a human being. It could be an economic experience. You see what I mean? It could be a philosophical point. Loss. Something you cannot keep anymore. It's out of your reach. Loss. Loss is an inevitable part of life. Loss is an inevitable part of life. You get and then you lose. When you get, sometimes you might have to wait for the loss. Unfortunately, we don't always get. People, they try to avoid the reality that after getting, you might lose. Some people try to run away from the truth of the matter. You cannot get and receive forever and ever. Sometimes you may lose something of high value. When Job in the Bible lost so many things, he lost some children, he lost money, he lost buildings, he lost sheep and oxen, he lost cattle, he lost many things. Even his life was at stake. So he said, the Lord has given and the Lord has taken. Blessed be the name of the Lord. But that he came to embrace the fact that he had been getting. He got many children. He had many wives. He had so much money. He had so much cattle. He had so much herds. He had so many houses. But somehow, he suffered some losses. There is no gaining in the world that cannot suffer a loss. We don't pray for it, but it does happen. It does happen. So, we need to embrace this fact of life, that after getting, there might be a loss. But when we lose something, then we react to that loss. And that is what causes grief. Hello? Because we lose something of value, then we react to it. And the process of reacting to what we lost is called grief. It is a reality of life. When you lose something of high value, you grieve over it. We're going to see it today or the next day or next Wednesday. The kinds of things that people lose and they grieve over. So grieving is a reality of life. Don't tell people not to grieve. No. And we should not assume that we are so strong that we don't grieve. No. There's a time to dance, then there is a time to grieve. There's a time for every purpose under the heavens. So grieving is a period. It does not last forever. It should not last forever. We don't pray for it, but when it comes, we need to open our minds and our hearts to receive it and to deal with it. So that when it is dealt with, we heal from it. People who grieve, they need to heal from the grieving. People who grieve, it's a process. They start it, they progress in it, they progress in it. Then they will come to a time when they overcome it. They stop grieving. Everybody who grieves should know that there is a time to stop grieving. If you are in grief, you don't grieve forever. Ma we na agwa kan na odekun kebe akie. Odekun kebe akie. Odekun ya de ka ewi no dekun wa. Ewi na dekun wa, ewi so wu o wa. Ewi a dekun wa, ewi so wu o wa. Then it's about to go wa e ba wa ye wa yo o wa da o wa go ewi so na dekun e se ti gbe mami ese ti gogo mami oiki akie oike ikia odekun o eri na ma o do sunu odekun osunu wagbon odekun osunu wagbon odekun oragbon a bible of tie the better justice ogu gama be ohun eha ovie wo do ka o ebe ya se agbon na o wege Emi ya fe ba gbona o ba e. O bo be ge na ya go o be ge na ya vie. Ya. O be ge na ya gbe o be ge na ya hie. O be ge na ya ko o be ge na ya ro. Ba me. Tu doni o ka ke ni maneva na gbo we. Aga is the mie. Aga is the vie. Egero ne me ya wu o wa. Egero ne me ya fo mande. Ugma so ebi no wu o wa ga konkon o. O ya konkon o do si na here. Oni o dekun no siakie. Mana do ita ba eti ma here kede de ade. Nunda o dekun no dekun do owu wo ti mare idaosa okunbo. Kebo wo ti mare Savito wife. Eti mana do here kede de ade. Do dekun no. Mama ka go wa so nu. Udo de ade na ye. Udo de atare we ge no su nu. E ma ya na gbobo yan hu. Ade o dekun. Aklie o ri kai kia. Boy o dekun aye emi no ga no wi o wa. O dekun emi no ga no wi o wa. O the thing I o ma na gun. O the thing I egbe na no wa me. Ana mi o dekun emi wa re o wa mi egbe na me ni. O dekun no o. O da o ni en de run e o ni en mu diake. O so mi no yi en go wa we ni kin. O dekun ge kinado. O dekun ge owi. Pas bien. O dekun o wa dekun o de. We bo o dekun ge o wa no o wa wi o wa so. Yi o wa ya no so wa no ya wa mu. O dekun no. Ya gwa de kini ga iri wu la yi ki en ke mo kale. O ga sunu o ge don. Ahie igba no. Ugba so ma ewu na no wa wina aba mmam ye awe no ri wa ge ewu na fo igba yiro no. Mata. Heu. Eyi emu da. Mi emigo. Amigo emi bai. Udekun no. Emi kemi no ga no wi o ma. Ona udekun. O siakie. No pogeba. Emi na ma o. Amako. No dere udouri. Edo. Odekun. O emi na ma o. Amako. No dere udouri. Emi na ma o amako. Amane ruin. Amale ngo de. Wa ha wo wasun. O wa dere. Amaki don ke dere. O douri. Oni odekun. Egbe ibere o ga sunu akie o ike. Odekun ke ba kie. Oragbon o. Odekun ragbon. Manedo. Odekun ma dede mi on hiye. Ma dede kue. Ma dede o ba hon wo ragbon. Ai do le mata ma won na odekun oragbon. O wa se tin lu ta gbon ya fe o ti to te pe o ma mi odekun. O odugu ga o lare. O wu pa. E o ga so pa. E o ga gbira won pa. Hona. Odekun ebi na ma ego de ode osunu udore. Okeke di mahia wa oro video. Upapa na ti Job the Bible. Ona wa fijubo muso. O me ku no bun. Yo be ave mo no bun. O wa won de no bun. O be ave esin ke be kete ke be emila Kebo one no boom. If you so that do asu no go here. Ni bi wona do am mie no we. Ya say baby so wa wulo yo. O wa so wa liba. Abo one kebe keta ni so fun a. Yo bodan yo bo yan gbogbo eva yan. Se ba yin na do afun yo yawu. Mami egbe na ni etebe no ya gbege na gbege ona we yi na ami e. Ejo bodan do akhi. No do akhi. Egbe na wan baba we emi ya me go o mase na wa ri e ekene ma na hie no ya ri ka dan gbe filo idajo filo gokwa no wa ri ekene ma na hie o mase no ri ekene bu dan gbe dajo filo gokwa fun dabo ekene na hie ma na gwa ri yobo ekene ma na hie ya na gwa la wo salobwa ekene ma na hie ya na gwa lo na ofu ya yonre ekene ma na hie ya na gwa lo na de ba ya hie ekene ma na hie ya na ga gbon na no ami awa na mie o o na ira gbon na o mi odoku ami awa na mie ta gbon ya iwa mi kuko mie edopa ku do ni we ekene ma na hie bu ya aka ayo bo wu ya gbe we ni aga vie o we gu ya vie we gu ya ri bo ka gbon we gu ya me we gu ya sopa gani we awo ni e ma no de kun ni o we do fian yore o we do agbon we go ma re na ye orion we do la wa ni wu o se ti ki am me ba o ma no ra hie o ma na mi ano go hie ahie ni dogbedu o dogbedu digba so be do ye ahie ni se ti gbo wa o ono raki o mami no ki am be va o mami no we na get ivie o mami no we egbo ko dure ahie se ti gbo wa ku do ni we an e kino wa ahie we yo we o maka won o wa kan won gede nda o we ide erun so pa e bata no ku dege odeku emi no ka no gwe onwa ona odeku emi na ma o amako odere udori ona odeku ebe vana yanga sunu emi o no keiki oni ati akie. We have defined what is grief. We are discussing grief and loss. What is grief? What is grief? Grief is a natural response to loss. Grief is a natural response to loss. When somebody loses anything of value, like we said, the person naturally will begin to grieve over the loss. Grief is a natural process. It is something that a reaction to a loss. If a person loses something, whether it be money, he grieves. He got so much money and lost. Oh, God forbid. When a person loses a loved one, then he is thrown into grief. He starts to cry and weep and yell and sorrow. This is a natural response to loss. So when we see people grieving, it is an indication of the fact that what they lost is of a high value and they are not happy about it. It's not easy for them to gloss over it. It's not easy for them to embrace it and say it doesn't matter. It does matter. The reaction to loss is grieving. And grieving means what has happened to the individual person, it does matter. It is serious. It is critical. Some people may be sick and be ill, and the sickness is like unto death. Then the person may be grieving, or even the people around the person will be grieving. It's not dead yet, though. But it's to show their concern. It's a serious one. This is a serious matter. Number 2, what is grief? Grief is deep sorrow. Deep sorrow, not just sorrow. Not just, sorry. No. When you are talking about grief, the sorrow is deep. It throws the person off balance. It causes tears to drip from the eyes. It causes sweat to drip from the head. Yes, it causes the hands and the legs to shake. Grief makes people who are standing to sit down. Grief can make people who are driving to stop and just cry. Grief is powerful. Grief is powerful, deep sorrow. It needs to be given its own place. There should be no pretense over grief. Deep sorrow, not just a little sorrow, because it lasts long. It has its own cycle. It has to pass through its own cycle. Grieving has its own cycle to pass through. It cannot be jumped over. Some people tell people to stop grieving, stop. No, you don't do that. If you have done that before, don't do it anymore. I know we do that in our culture. When people are grieving, we tell them to stop. We should not say that. We should allow the person to grieve because it's in deep sorrow. Moreover, grief is a deep sadness. Grief is deep sadness. Anything of this, but this, when we talk about the sadness in grief, is a deep one. It's acknowledged to be involving the whole of the personality, the entity of a person, to be sad. And when the person is sad, he shows, he symptomizes in many ways. You will see the person, you cannot even talk. You see the person, you cannot eat. You see the person, you cannot drink. You see the person is like no longer himself. Deep sadness. It shows on the face. What we call in psychotherapy, it is called the affect. The affect. You show on the face that there is something wrong with this person. Even if it's in the place where people are dancing, even if he is in the place where people are eating and drinking, the affect, the face of the person shows there is something going on in his mind, in his heart. Deep sadness is not pretense. You cannot pretend over it. Deep sadness and deep sorrow, these are part of grieving and grief. When it falls upon anybody, you cannot mistake it. And if you mistake it, you are not a good person. If you are a godly person, you cannot mistake a person who is grieving. You will know. And if somebody is not grieving and is pretending to be grieving, you will know. Because we know that, we all know that there are some people who pretend to be grieving, they are not grieving. No. It can happen. But for the most part, people who grieve, they cannot pretend. Because the grief and your sorrow and the sadness overcomes their affect and overcomes their presentation of themselves. They are totally weakened by the grief. Mantewi no odekun ke ba hie e ma gwa kan o. No iso egbe o ahie. Wo ahie. Ahie. Be metana o yo hamwe manbu ahie. Na ye be ahie o. Ise to ma ahie ragmo. Mare mi ahie eruna na no. To ma ahie na setin dekun o dekun awagbona. Akwenie we aga akwenie we aga odekun. Akwenie odekun ire we yi kwenie. Weye ragbon uye yan uye kenyo kare ukwenie odekure agbena makawe igbura yan bai abaka ogido okawo tu yan kwenie atie odekun atie ukwenie gewe o odekun ni o ti wa dekun o ti ga won si kewe odekun o wa ti ga won nu odekun watching out on a ruria. Watching out in a waka where my with a waka so or not that one, I do started with Uquenia. There to tattoo like a muja. Mabia. That's to take a bit who tota. That's to tell you by a man watching what day you bought. But the kun, who are they you about? Who tell you know? Oh, bank better you know. What are you about? They are been telling one who was about. Many no one corruption money or you don't know who no care or robo. I mean, you who tell me how would they could not to me. I hear no election or to work when near, or no when near. Awa no mio de ku o na o de ku o mana ku ani o ba ni yo sadobo wa so wa mi we awa afi moto de o afi moto lupo de o wa gege bu e bo ni wa mu oyin mi di ite e bo ni wa mu oyin mi di ite o no fi moto de ayu o mu dia o yi mu dia nda o de ku no so no ge mani ìyẹn ibe kun ni yo we ma tagele no o de ku no kokwa e oda o imudia no ma mudia na wa gbera wa e bo okoko di ase o di yo we to di o de kun asu o su no akun ni yo be na ya kun ni yo oni o ahie o wa ba ya ahie ataba nipo geba o de kun ahie eve ve ome eve kebe ome ndo ahie eve ome on a ahie evovie ome ome eve kebe ome o wa do te mo ge ke na ye o yo ni ria wa o meswe iswe emi no de kun si no ahie no wa ahie ai kwe aizeto wa de ahie ise e do taverio ai kwe aizeto ahie oni ahie on ahie ai kwe ekino tuta yo ekino lobie aizeto oni die ma e die ge na ya gbe to na ye musumuse na gbe e wo ga ke ya aizeto muda e o si agwalo e ga ke iba ego wa ninu ahie oya kwene be go deku npoge ba ahie oya eve ke wo me npoge ahie oya aikwe azeto egbe ni ba ya lo mo o de oya ahie o ba na ti David ona are Jerusalem Okana Oboni another very beard and Oboni my one. I remember Oba Ogie David King, or Madi man where Odekuni or Mandekun, you know, when near. But I care what I not care for. How to tell you talk. I mean, it doesn't to tell you talk. What I say, when I say you won't. If I go, no. Don't be don't woo. Oh, go young. Oh, we have what myself. Only I care. As the man you work at the answer, my you. Bonopon of your qua. Only you bought here can done. Or have the baby. Only I care. I care. Even now, my soon way no. Oh, my come on, carrying my here. I'm on a here. I got you, but I hear that. If you know where are you one and I hear much as you want and I be. Wonder one and I hear and I mean you, but I hear no one. I hear that I put it on here no one. When I hear who's a lot, but I'm low. I mean, on them, yeah. Tag my hair, I call me a dopa. I hear, or I won't. So, what are the causes of grief? So, grief is an experience of life, right? So, why do people grieve? What are the causes of grief? We want to give examples of them. So, we should realize them. There are some of them that we don't even know before, but we know today. What causes people to be grieving? They are different. They're not all the same thing. And there are some things that cause people to grieve, but we don't know it. And when they are grieving, we think it's a little matter to them. It's not a little matter. It is serious because it is something of value, high value to them. And they react to that loss in grieving. Number one, loss of a loved one. Loss of a loved one. When somebody we know, a loved person we know dies. That is the number one cause of grief. I just mentioned Captain Idahosa Okumbo. I just mentioned Sir Dr. Victor Waifu. When somebody we know, somebody we love, somebody we appreciate, somebody we identify with, somebody, could be our relative in the family, could be our community person, could be a leader, could be the led, could be a child, could be old or young. When a person we know, we love dies, then we are thrown into grief. We cannot say it didn't touch us. It does touch our heart. It touches our sleep. It touches our appetite. It touches our laughter. It touches our emotions. It touches our personality. It touches our persona. It touches our being. When somebody we love dies, we are thrown into grieving. 2, the loss of relationship. The loss of relationship. Relationship could be a marriage. Relationship could be a boyfriend, girlfriend. Relationship could be a political relationship. Comrade, people with whom you work, people with whom you went to school. You have a relationship with people you love in your heart. When that relationship is severed, then you grieve over it. When a marriage is lost, divorce causes grieving. Divorce causes grieving. Even ordinary boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, when it is severed, it causes grieving. They may not tell you, but they do grieve over it. Yes. Anything relationship, you are you and your supervisor, you and your boss, you and your CEO, you and your political partner, you and your club member, you or your church member, one way or another, any relationship, anybody you're related to, grief causes, loss causes grief. I tell you the truth. People grieve when their dog dies. A dog, when it dies, people grieve. And people grieve when their cat, C-A-T, dies. They grieve. About 20 years ago, we had a dog in our house, in our backyard, our dog. And we had a fence over the place. So the dog couldn't come out. So for some reason, somebody opened a fence. I was not home. Somebody opened a fence. I don't remember who did. And the dog went out. The dog ran out. We don't know where the dog was. We're going to look for it though. We're already looking for it. When my children came back from school, and they found that the dog was not in the yard. The dog is lost. My daughter started to cry. The dog was lost. They started to cry. We told them, we promised them that we will find a dog, and we found the dog. We found a dog. He went to meet another dog somewhere in the same street. So we brought the dog back home. So my daughters were pacified. People grieve when their cat dies. A cat. It's a separation of 3. The loss of pregnancy. Woo! Loss of pregnancy, it causes grief. Loss of pregnancy is a serious thing. It's the same thing as losing another human being. When a woman loses pregnancy, almost the whole of her life is lost. The hope, her blood, her body is shrink. It causes a lot of grief. It's not something a woman can walk over. No. 4, serious illness. Serious illness is a loss that people grieve. When people are sick and it's serious, it's a sign that something may happen. And people grieve over such things. Family members, they grieve over serious illness. 5, loss of physical ability. Loss of physical ability. If somebody was walking before and he has an accident and he could no longer walk, the person grieves. People grieve for him. Somebody who could see, he could go to farm and wherever he could see, and all of a sudden the baby becomes sick with the eyes and becomes blind and they cannot see. Oh Lord, it causes grief. You see, somebody could do big things, but they cannot longer see. No talk of doing it. It causes grief. The loss of financial security. Loss of financial security. Huh? Somebody has a good job and he gets good money. If he loses the job, financial insecurity has come. He grieves over it. A businessman losing so much money, he grieves over the loss of money. Financial insecurity. Financial insecurity causes grief. So you might know some other things that cause grief. So when you see people grieving, you need to know that there's something responsible for it causing it. Causing it. When we went to school, some people, if they fail an exam, they cry. And they grieve over it. They are not like their mates who passed. It causes grief. Oh, what's the Akia? no ka do no ugu ogoma o shakie o ma ko no di akin o piano o hu no o bo kan no o no wa no o ije no kwa no baba no kwa no era mo de no o ge igu ne go na wu o shakie ami ke no wu da shakie o kan mo ni o ni wa no wa to no to gbege no to de no akpa o ye shakie ikatọrọ tí ma bá Okunbo náà ìtọrọ tí ma Victor Wafo ó ṣáṣẹ ìgbà yàgbé ugwu ojú wo wà òkà ọ̀nà ṣáṣẹ pọ́jẹ́bà òrọ́mẹ̀ náà wí ọyọ́ ní káwẹ́ òkè àwòkọ náà rẹ̀ gbé yẹn náà ìṣègbè à náà ní òkà ìgbòbọ yẹn náà ìṣègbè à náà ní òkà ní fọ́ à òrọ́mẹ̀ náà wí ọ̀ṣáṣẹ. Ko pia ke woko no tele ku no tele babu yo mu hin yana isegbe ofia here oko pia ke woko go no wa mu yo mu no wa ti mu nu so gbedu ala mi agbe yo pasu nu yana isegbe ofia here emu apawo wa ofia here emu na pawo wa ojaka ori university ori ewebo ofia here ije ya ba me ve ro pa ba uye ofia here gbọ́dọ̀ bá pẹ́ẹ́dẹ̀ àìwá ẹgbẹ́ òun ẹ̀kẹ́ tẹ́tẹ̀ nàná yọ mọ́nà wa àìdò bú ẹ̀dẹ́ yọ náà yàrá ọ̀hán rèé òye rẹ̀ àyè ni àṣẹ́dẹ́rì àkẹ́rẹ́ náà ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà bú ọgbà àgbẹ̀dẹ̀ òbí ọmọ gbé náà dórí ẹ̀gẹ̀ ọ̀dà fún ẹ̀ dé ọgẹ́ ẹ̀ àkà ẹ̀ àyárí ẹ yóò wọ́dà fún ẹ ẹ̀bùn ìgbẹ́bù òtún náà mọ́kùnkùn ara sí wọn lélẹ̀ ọ ẹ̀ ṣe èkè ẹ̀nàdà wọ́ọ̀mà náà yá ẹ̀ náà ọ̀dọ̀ kèmẹ̀gbọ́ yára yára dúró wa yára kẹ́ yára dà yára kẹ́ náà lórí yára rí ẹ̀ ṣe kẹ́ ẹ̀nàdà ẹ̀ là wá ẹbí do àìsí wọn payọ wọn máa ń yẹrẹ ìwé wọn ni omi yé o ààyè gbé kíá o omi yé ààyè gbé kíá o omi yé o ààyè gbé kíá o omi yé àwọn tó wẹ̀ mú náà àyàn la wà náà yẹn wà dé gbé ṣàìfọ́ wa omi wà wà àbíyẹ. Ọba abịaru na ọrịa wọdọ ọkpa ogbere akịrị yere egbe na mmịọrọ okwu ọ na-atụ miscarriage the loss of pregnancy miscarriage egbe na mmịọrọ okwu n'ebotu miscarriage ọ na egbe na mmịọrọ okwu Osiakie donc quoi egbere mi ogoko eruna nana o ma ho ogwo ku ni egbe ya wa be ko yanyan lele nínú so la donc yese ti tun mo se ti da o mu e ba egwa mo nu Osiakie e no shakia tana o moment no vova Osiakie avant Osiakie on va no we gbi do on kon mi ke gbo eketu ya fe ko o se ya fe yan ku ya ma ewo ya ewo na wa bu wa yi bolu so bo no nedu gana Osiakie on va igbedia asimezi igbedia ke asimezi wo igbedia ọmọ náà kàkà gbìjàwé yóò gbìjàwé rí òkìkè ire àwọn ènìyàn ṣoṣù nù jákàwé òdekùnrin ọrẹ ìmọtò kótó èyí sẹtì ìkíá ẹbọ yára kíá lórí èyí sẹtì ìkíá ọgbẹsọ ọmọ náà ọkẹ ọkẹrẹ ọwọ mi yàfẹ òkìkè ire àwòkíá ọ̀nà ìdòwú àwọ èyí dẹgbẹdẹ igbe dia wiye asimezi ebi na gwagbon ye bo ebi na gwa ti gbagbe donc yan mo do kakian as oyira simezi osiakie igbe dia osiakie igbe dia ke wa simezi nugboge han eke ogbe eke eyan wege eke ogbe eke eyan wege osiakie eke ogbe o na yigo de levi no bu ogo ne do asalo kin ogele do asalo kin ebi ke do yaki o eyan no wede no o pon na no igo udon o ka don o ibata okin o amien we ebi ke na sunu èmi ni oyin gbé ọba ìjà ìfìyàn ọdún ẹ̀kọ́ gbé ẹ̀kí yan gbẹ̀gẹ̀ ọ̀ṣẹ́ ọkí ẹgbẹ́ wọ́dọ̀ ká mọ̀ wọn àná tẹ̀ jà igóni gídé èmi ni ẹ̀kú ọ̀díà ẹ̀ ọgbọ̀n sọ débi èmi náà yà kí n kílé kí àbọ̀ náà òkú àkí àbọ̀ ọ̀wá kòrò à ọ̀wá kòrò à wútẹ́ àwọn olùsídùn àná dọ̀ àwọn èmi bá ọba ti àná ẹ̀yà àmọ́ ìyá rẹ̀ ọ̀ṣàkíyè ẹnu èèyàn gbé rẹ̀ ọ̀ṣàkíyè reactions to grief it's like you're going crazy. Some people, it's like they're going crazy. They become hyper. They jump there. They jump here. They don't know what to do. Sometimes you have to hold them, because they might knock their head against the wall. It's like they're crazy because of the loss. Number 2, no concentration. People who are grieving cannot concentrate. If the person is a student, he cannot pass the exam, because his mind is not there. Cannot concentrate. 3, there is sadness and sorrow and deep depression. Sadness and depression. It's a reaction to grief. People are sad and they are depressed. You can see it on their outfit, on their face. And you ask him what's happening. The person is grieving over the loss. Anger and irritation. Anger and irritation. The person becomes very angry. He's angry because of his loss. He's the only one suffering from the loss. He's easily irritated. If you try to catch a joke, you get into trouble with him, because he is not in the mood to be joking. He gets angry about what you are saying, even though you don't mean any harm. So we should be careful when we get to where people are grieving, not to go and treat them in a way that make them angry or irritated. Anxiety and the nervousness. Anxiety and nervousness. So grief can get into people's body system. They become anxious. Okay. And nervousness. They are shaking. Their hands are shaking. If you go to where people are grieving, you say somebody lost his father and he's sitting down there. What does he do? He'll be shaking his leg. You see? They're nervous. Some people be gnashing their teeth. You will hear it. It's a reaction to grief, anxiety, and nervousness. Numbness. They tell you that there are some part of their body just so numb. Their legs are numb, but they cannot walk. Their hands are numb, but they cannot handle anything. You see it? Low energy. No energy. You cannot get up and cook or get up and wash his clothes. No strength. No strength. Ambivalence. He will say one thing and mean another. When something is being discussed, he will say the opposite. He's in his right mind though, but doesn't know how to react to it. Because of the grief in the person is saying things, comparing things inappropriately. Frustration. Anybody who is grieving can easily get frustrated. Anything you want the person to participate in, he cannot properly do it. You just do it halfway. Even food, as the person to eat, you just take 2 spoons of rice. It's frustrated. People they are reacting to grief. And you might see people reacting like this, even though you don't know they're grieving, but they're actually grieving when people pass through these things. To know them now, they are the symptoms of grieving. Wamie back here. Oh, back here. They no cake. Okay, have I young okay? They no me bo. Atana. Look out. Oh, ye be meme. The man so aki o ye be meme. Ha! Oh, you son, oh, you there, oh, you banya well, oh, you back on kaka. Oh, you don't say that. Ben on why ye able to your why anyone. Aki. Oh, the young is auto. Oh, no, here, oh, you are auto. Oh, no, here's a TB. Oh no, here's a thing kigo, go to Buna, where you go to Buna with a equation you don't car. Oh, as a tinker. I think ye, echo buffalo, echo buffalo, we are making the castle, or the bush, or the bush one. Oh, say, oh, kiss who get, see young Ogma, kiss Ogma, the tower, Ogma shade about. That my Ogman shade about kiss Ogma. Oh, I will wish one. Oh, because if then you say, yeah, why we don't kiss with you. That I buy. But bien. They about you, you know. No cat here, no get here. But I do go away. But take at your name, see. If your mind so talk. Iyo no betting. Oh no here. Iyo don't dini waye. Iyo no betting. Iyo ya iyo so kwa me no betting wo. Do na we iyo betting. Iyo dan. Oga kwa gengenye wo him. Ema so guare iko. Ema so guare sosi. Ema so guare ukugaba eke. But if no ro him ugano o you no beti. Funde no suru you no beti. Oh! Kebe egbe kame. Oh! Kebe egbe kame. Oh anorakia. Baba na humu ane o. Muda we gwema mi no mo we ata. Oh, wa mu. Ebi na yekere o. Emi weta yekere. Oh, wa mu. Egbe wa kan, egbe kan. Agbe gbodun awa. Ono rake egbe kan, o wa kan. Umio. Ogwo, ono rake. Ogwo. Ebi ke nte sunu ke oyen gbodan. Ebi na shafi ma wa shafi. Ebi mbeka na ati muda, yen ati muda. O wan ru wake. Mamie. Ogwo. Irira. Onoruwake. Oboze ti wa irira. Obi atemu ese ti daye se na ya fini. Ogwo rie no ya polo. Obo irira ese ti daye se. Ogwo ese ti wa irira onoruwake. Uso mi na lagbara da. Dege. Irira. Orion iribu. Onoruwake. Orion iribu. Wona ka ese ti. Onoruwake. Oyi mo rion. Ese ti mo ri kebi. Ona le ba ya ba ese ti le ba na gbe o. Ona se ma Onoruwake. Mana do. Aya le ba ene. Aya opon aya polo dan dolo na. Orion iribu no ya we. Wewe. Mi ga iwaki. Wewe. Agbo no kiezio. Oye kedu ta ala kekena matala. Wewe. Eyan gidere. No keke. Emi ya wa hawa pere. Emi ya owa hawa pere. Onoruwake emi ya wa kan. Oye no. Oye no ya kuwe no. Oye na do zetu no. Oye na do yewu no. Emi ya wa kan pere. We are no gwe de ba wo no do yo wa de tu go na yewu ya ba ja ba ebe ke wa kan. Emi ya wa kan pere. De ko wo na di no yo. Ono kia. Eri mata se na o. Oyi de kokpa. Emi na u dan yu na ya ri bodo ma okia. E na ila he na ke na fu. Oyi be mi ame. Bu na ila he no na fu. Ne gbe na ma wo. The day Wednesday on day mata fu. Bo ya ne re na wa weso usabu waro. Yayi wa we dan gwan kan na ohun mi pataki e no. Nda ke ragbon. O de kun ragbon. Mai mwegbe na ya la di awo dana mi osunu. Oge mu na sunu ati ka we na de sunu yeye. So kwa na we ru na nyake. Na mi de kun. So bodo mi ofa de kun. Na ya o sadobua. E ba ya fe no we da ke. Me ya fe no mi de kun we do. Wo ta mo ya la o sika ya o. We ya fe no we vie no we hie la ho ki an me be wa o. We ya fe no mi de kun no se yan la ho bu yan re bo. Na gbona ye mani anyi. De obi yan ye gba eri kebe ni ara o. La ho ti we mo o ja ke gbe yan. Egbe ni ma so ni e ba egbe ro kun bo ke egbe re bi to wa fo la ki yan me be wa o. Agi an gba le ni yan o da ki man sa ba na wa. Emi so wa gbe nda na ma ba wo ama ko. Awo mu ya kare ni ma wa. Na do me kira na dogba no. Na mo we mama. Bi Jesus Christ no nya wa. Isa fún ẹgbẹ́ ní yàmà buwárọ̀ bóyá fẹ́ náà rí wà wẹ́sẹ̀ ìrìn àwọn sàrúbà náà wé dèbà wà ẹgẹ́ ni wà mú ẹ̀ náà ní àṣàbà náà àṣà ẹnu wà Junior Daniel kúyọ̀ iná Magid kúyọ̀ Solomon Demudi kúyọ̀ tẹ̀mẹ̀ ó ṣàyàmà ẹ̀sẹ̀ wì ọbọ̀ kíá èrò ṣe ìjàtọ̀ ọbọ̀ kíá kúyọ̀ iye ó ṣàyàmà bọ̀ náà rí Holland kuyo buka oyima sayoma bodon Holland eno Magid ko teme jachi jagi we bangure obuka glory jamu obuka o Kingston Rasuki obuka o Peter Nabule le obuka o Adore obuka o Friday Moragbon obuka o Solomon Demudi obuka o Waya fe no re. Teri gariba. Mate gbeni wa. Teri gariba kuyo bukia. Eu waya ma wa gbon. So agba no ri afian gbe nu wa. Ede waya mu dia no redu ama. O wa ga be ma o. Ise. O ga fun opo so ise. Nata na. No hu ya tabe no ma yo. Here the ekena view YouTube or the ekena view YouTube. Na boya age odo. Ekena view aza na view na. Na ita sin afe ekena ita kede ade. Here wa YouTube boy. Wa ge ma bi edo. Nya ya pe ma we ri ma. Na ya pe ma we yi ma. Na ya pe bi suku. Na ya pe ye ekena na ito ka. Na ya pe na mo ya we mi na mo ya aba yi go we. If you head that king to pon him no. If you him man so abadi him man or man man is okay yakwe ma do togedo. O head do matade yakwe anya use to be ata. O ka ogiso. O ka enigi ogedo. Ade wa ade di o ma we bagbe ade. Be na bo yare na wa fun eko wa yara ma. E ma ya akoko ba o. Even na manguna na maye nwina kwa o. Maye gbokwa be ni o. Saloba no ri ase yo. Saloba no ri yo. Saloba no ri atomu yo. Saloba no ri afiangbe yo. Eni Jesu Kristo do nyama. Isa. Waboki awo edu ona redu. E ba to pe isa. O ma kinya kwa wo ha. Talking up with my home. No, my bound. Yeah, but na you better. It cannot do yo. I give it all. I might even take I make it on do yo. I tired of it to know. But I must say, yeah, what I will be a do. He said, Bakuyo. Bye bye.